Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogtober Day
18.
Day 18. If you've missed days 1 through 17, I've created a Vlogtober 2025 playlist, and I will link it above and below where you can catch up on all the unboxing fun, 31 videos in 31 days, counting down to Halloween with lots of awesome gifts and unboxings. So today is one gift, and it is a family, and Juliet does family. Ooh, oh, these are for like photo ops.
Yes.
Which we sure loved our theme photos.
Photos. Oh, I'm gonna.
Oh, there's glasses. These
Oh
are
my
cute.
god, Don needs to do the lips.
Yes, we got fun glasses, like little, just tons of cute little decals and stuff that you can use. And there's like sticks you can like hold them.
Yeah.
And you guys know how to do the little photo ops. These are really,
It's
really
a vibe.
cute. It is definitely a vibe. That is so fun. These are so fun. I think I like the back glasses the best.
I like the other ones.
It's like Maleficent. So adorable. This was awesome. That was a fun day 18. This is also kind of a quick one, but we will see you guys tomorrow for day 19. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.